Hello everybody, I just wanted to show you how to make the profit on the Binance application. So you have to create an account on Binance. Application is very easy from the sign up process. And after that you have to deposit Bitcoin to the Binance application, Binance wallet. And after that, one thing I wanna show you, you see the gainers and the losers. And after that, after you deposit the Bitcoin to your account, because you should have the Bitcoin to get the altcoin, the alternative coins. So after that, you just go the Telegram account. You just easily sign up in the Telegram and just follow this the group called the VIP Signal, and the other one is Universal Crypto Signal Pro. And after the member of the after following the Universal Crypto Signal Pro, this guy show you which coins you should buy and which price. When you check this one, I want to show you the ELF or the IOTA. The guy says the buy below 7,600 or 8,000, and after buy you should sell this one when it's reached 8550, and you make the profit on that. I just want to show you, and it's not the fake, it's the true, because they show, you see the BCD hits 182.8k, so 26% profit, and that's the right. I just follow for 1 week, and the more than fun 1 week to it's true or no or fake, but it's all the mostly is accurate and it's true, is not the fake. And I'm following this today. I just bought the coins. What's that? Um, the VIP signal. I just checked. I just get the message. The doc at Binance, the buy was 250, and the target. When you reach the target, the first three, second, and the third, when you reach the first one, you can sell, but it's not too much profit. But the second target is 295. When you check, you come here the doc, the Binance application, and I just bought today doc. Yeah, yeah. When you go the market, I just put the favorite, and doc is 264, and I bought this doc is I bought this doc the trace, the open orders, I think order history. The doc is the 266, and now is 264, but it will reach soon. Another one is the fun, and 261. Now is the current price 261. The fun, and you go trace then open orders. The fun I just make 290. The order history, the fun is 262, and you just wait until it's reach the desired the price desired target, and it will very true numbers. It's not fake, and I want everybody to make the profit from this coin. You just member of the VIP signal from the Telegram, or the other one is the Universal Crypto Signal Pro. It's nearly 193,000 subscribers, and they show you every day, mostly every day, which coins should you buy and which coin is the most profitable. When you check here, and you just come to Binance, is the very smooth application, is not too much memory using, and you just buy from here, and you just put on the sale. After you buy, you just put on sale and just wait for it's reached to the real value whatever you want. Thank you for watching, and just subscribe my channel, and if you make a comment I will be happy. Have a good working everybody. Thank you for watching me. Bye.